Brand new for 2025, the Wiener Looping.
Wiener Looping is a steel roller coaster built by Mack Rides and the newest roller coaster of Prater Vienna. It's a Big Dipper with 3 inversions and a top speed of 81 km per hour. Officially opened on May 23rd, 2025, and a ticket price per adult of €8.50, it became the most expensive ride of the park. Let's check out that front row POV. For more POVs just like this, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay, that was really nice. 10 out of 10. Definitely do it.
Wiener Looping, €8.50, approved.
To see more of the park on our channel, you will find the Prater Vienna Ride Guide. We have loads of POVs and on-ride videos. Subscribe so you don't miss any of the latest news. That's it from us. We will see you in the next video.